The loudest person in the room, they're usually the one with the least amount of power. The people who actually rise are the ones that everyone respects, play the game differently. They use silent power moves. And here's the part that most people miss. Silence is often louder than words. Today, I'm breaking down 3 silent moves that make you impossible to ignore. Plus, a bonus move that most people never even think about. And that last one, it's the move that top leaders use the most. Noise gets attention, silence builds power. So here's the first move, silent observation. Most people rush to speak in meetings. They fight for airtime, blurt out ideas, and try to prove their value with volume. But the person who stays quiet, they're not passive, they're watching, they're studying, they're mapping the real power dynamics. Picture this. Everyone's trying to impress the boss. You notice who the boss actually listens to, who hesitates before speaking, who gets interrupted, and who never gets interrupted. That's invisible intelligence most people miss. While they're talking, you're collecting power. And when you finally speak, your words will carry 10 times the amount of weight. Talkers make noise, observers make moves. The second move is strategic silence. This is the pause after someone says something important. Most people will rush to respond. They can't stand the silence, it's uncomfortable. But leaders know silence is leverage. In negotiations, silence makes the other side reveal more than they want to do. In meetings, silence after a bold statement forces everyone to sit with your words. And here's the secret. People chase silence. They explain more, they reveal more, they work harder to win your approval just because you didn't respond right away. Control the silence and you control the room. Don't rush to fill the silence. Make them chase your reaction. The third move is quiet confidence. A lot of people think that confidence means being loud, bold, always speaking up, but real power shows up calm. Quiet confidence is walking into a room and not needing to prove yourself. It's speaking less, but making every word count. It's consistency. The quiet professional who delivers every single time will always outlast the loud one who overpromises and underdelivers. Noise gets attention for a moment. Quiet confidence builds trust that lasts. Silence isn't weakness, it's your unfair advantage. There's one more silent move, the one almost no one talks about, and I call it the silent ally. This isn't about speaking in the spotlight. It's about influence built behind the scenes. The quiet one-on-one check-in, the subtle nod in a meeting, the word of support no one else hears. Silent allies don't shout. They don't fight for credit. But when they back you up, suddenly the entire room can shift into your favor. Building silent allies is one of the smartest political moves you can ever make. Silent allies win battles before they're even fought. So remember, the next time you feel pressure to speak up just to be heard, don't. Real power often comes from what you don't say. Silent observation, strategic silence, quiet confidence, and the silent ally. You master 3 of these moves, and you'll rise faster than the loudest voice in the room. Also, listen. I'm putting together something big. It's called the Promotion Playbook. It's a step-by-step guide for getting seen, heard, and considered for those roles that you want. And it's coming soon. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. And stay tuned because next week I'm revealing the power move that'll make you impossible to ignore. The loud rise fast, the silent rise higher.